You're going to learn a technique now that you've probably heard before, but I want you to remain open-minded to it and ask yourself, are you really using this technique to improve your listening? In coaching, which is a world that I live in much of the time, there is this technique called reflective inquiry. Reflective inquiry is when we repeat back to the other person what we heard them say and then want them to think about what they said, possibly approach it with a new perspective because they're now hearing it from someone else other than themselves. And it causes the conversation to expand and perhaps even go in a different direction. We can bring this into conversations that we have to improve our listening. When we repeat back what we've heard, what we do is confirm what we heard. I had a conversation recently where what I thought I heard wasn't exactly what the other person intended. When I repeated back what I heard, they said, well, that wasn't exactly what I wanted to focus on or what I was trying to get across. And then they said it better for me in terms of understanding thereafter. Repeating back what you hear is a great method to use when speaking to your manager, when speaking to a colleague, when speaking to a peer, or even a family member. You'll often find that what you repeat back isn't exactly the message that they wanted to convey, as I've shared with you in the example. It's a technique that many people know about, but often don't use. How often are you using this technique? I believe that if you bring it into your toolkit of conversations, you will improve your listening and the other party will appreciate and respect that you are seeking to better understand them. I hope you've enjoyed this video to help you improve your listening skills right away. Be sure to watch the rest of the videos in the series and apply them diligently one by one. Don't rush the process. Improving your listening takes time, and trying to do too many different things at once will just make it more difficult. If at any time you'd like to assess your listening skill, I'd be happy to issue you a Learning to Listen assessment. There is a small fee associated with it, but you'll find that the report includes many ideas besides the ones that you've heard of in this video series to improve your listening. So if you're really serious about it, consider taking this proactive step. And of course, if you would like to have coaching around the results of the report, then that's available too. I wish you the best of success in improving your listening this year to improve your professional and personal relationships.